Canto, 3rd Chapter, text number 24, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on September 29th, 1972, in Los Angeles.
Translation. Then, in the beginning of Kali Yuga, the Lord will appear as Lord Buddha, the son of Anjana, in the province of Gaya, just for the purpose of deluding those who are envious of the faithful theist.
So, these words are significant. Bhavishyati. Bhavishyati means in future he will appear. Other avatars, just like Lord Ramchandra, Krishna, they have been described that he appeared for doing this work. Similarly, in future also, who will appear, that is also listed. So, no pseudo incarnation can come in, because past, present, future, everything is described. Bhavishyati, this Bhagavad Grantha, Shastra was written 5,000 years ago. Now, 5,000 years ago there was no Buddha. But in future he'll come, and that is mentioned here, Bhavishyat. Not only Buddha's name only, but his mother's name and the place where he would appear. And this is called Shastra. No speculation, fact, either past, present or future. It doesn't matter. Trikalagya. So we accept knowledge from such person who knows past, present and future. The persons who do not know even present what is going on, how we can accept knowledge from him? This is not our process. Our process is to receive knowledge from a person who knows past, present and future. Just like Krishna and the Acharyas, they know. So, our knowledge is perfect because we are receiving knowledge from the perfect as it is. Therefore our knowledge. It is not that I am perfect. I may not be perfect, I may be perfect. But because I am accepting the perfect knowledge, therefore whatever I speak on that basis, that is perfect. This is our process. You don't require to research. What research will make? You are yourself insufficient. What research you can make? Your senses are insufficient. You try to see the cosmic manifestation with your microscope or telescope, but that is also manufactured by you. So you are imperfect. So whatever you have done, that is all imperfect. How you can know? If you are imperfect, the four defects of the conditioned soul. One is sure to commit mistake. Anyone, any big man of this world, he must commit mistake. His illusion. He is accepting something for something. Every one of us, we accept this body as I am, self. And we are fighting on this basis. I am American, you are Indian, you are Hindu, I am Muslim. Only on this bodily concept. But Bhagavad says, as soon as we find a person on the platform of bodily concept of life, he is animal. That's all. Saeva Gokhara. Gokhara. Go means cow, khara means ass. So, anyone who is under the bodily concept of life, he is fool, rascal. That's all. So these Shastras are written just like Vyasdev. Vyasdev is speaking that Tikiteshu Bhavishyati. Kikiteshu means the province of Gaya is still existing. Bhavishyat. When Tata Kalau Sampravitti, Kalau, this age is called Kali Yuga, Sampravitti, just in the beginning. The Buddha appeared 2600 years ago. So, for thousands of years, it is beginning. Just like the sunset and the sunrise, there is an intermediate period. It is neither light nor dark. That is called intermediate period. Similarly, at the end of every millennium, Yuga, at the beginning of another Yuga, that is called Sampravitti, just beginning. So, Sampravitti is just in the beginning, because the duration of Kali Yuga, this Yuga, Kali Yuga, it will exist for 432,000 years. They are altogether, all the Yugas taken together, there are 4,300,000 years. Out of that, Kali Yuga is 432,000 years. So out of that 432,000 years, we have passed only 5,000 years. We have passed only 5,000 years. The Kali Yuga has begun from after the death of Maharaj Parikshit. During the time of Maharaj Parikshit, the Kali Yuga could not enter. You are so strong king. Kali Yuga means these four principles: illicit sex, intoxication, gambling, and meat eating. This is Kali Yuga. Before the beginning of Kali Yuga, there were no such thing in the world, all over the world. With the beginning of the Kali Yuga, these things have begun. Illicit sex, intoxication. Now it is so spread that every home, every house, every country is full of these four principles of sinful life. So, Tata Sampravitti Kalau Sarmohaya Suradvisham. Suradvisham. Disha means, I don't like to see you. That is called Disha. Desha. Ichha Desha. We have got two kinds of likings. We want to see somebody and we do not want to see somebody. Ichha Desha. These are our activities. Ichha Desha Samuthena Sarge Janti Parantapa. Our creation within this material world, Ichha Desha. We wanted to enjoy this material world and we did not like Krishna. Desha. Desha means I don't like. There are so many things we say I don't like. So as soon as we don't like Krishna, God, and want to enjoy this material world, then we fall down immediately. Ichha desho samuthena sarge janti parantapa. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Sarge means this is the cause of our creation of this material body. Just like when you enter into the water, just like so many swimmers now entering within you have to take a particular type of dress. As you are going to the moon planet, you have to fortify yourself with a particular type of dress. It costs about $40 million, something like that. Similarly, the spirit soul, we are all spirit soul. When we want to enter this material world, we get this material world. This is the process. Now, just like they take pleasure diving within the water, swimming like the fish, that natural tendency is there. You cannot say Why I have come to this material world? Why you are swimming within the water? Why? Who has induced it? There is no such question. But the fact is, as soon as you want to enter this material world, you have to accept it. Otherwise you cannot work here. This is the fact.
अपडेट्स के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और यदि टॉपिक से रिलेटेड आपका कोई प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में आप पूछ